Good morning students. In the last class we have seen about the Cartesian product between two sets. So students आपने Cartesian product सीखा है. Let here I am taking one set P is equals to A, B, C. Okay, P I am taking a set as a A, B, C. Then second set I am taking Q. Q as I am taking Ami. Okay, then bridge. Okay, then I am taking another name, like suppose B. So Babar, then Charlie. Okay, and Chetan. So these are the set. This is the set P and set Q. Now students, if I write down the Cartesian product P cross Q, then you know very well what is P cross Q. So P cross Q क्या होता है? तो first element from the first set and second element from the second set. So I will write down A, comma, then A, comma, bridge. Okay, then A, comma, Babar. Similarly, we have written down B, then another element will be B, comma, Ami. Okay, then B, comma, bridge. Similarly, you can write down another element, then C, comma, Ami, C, comma, bridge, C, comma, Babar, C, comma, Charlie, like this. So this is the Cartesian product. So now what we are doing, we are not writing all the elements, we are taking the subset of this. But subset of this हम कैसे ले रहे हैं? Suppose we are taking here, इसका एक सबसेट कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, उसको हम लिख रहे हैं R, that is a relation. तो देखिए मैंने R कैसे लिखा है? A, Ami, एक एलिमेंट है A, Ami. Then second B, bridge, B, Babar. Then C, Charlie and C, Chetan. Okay, I am taking the particular subset of this. और इसको मैंने क्या दिया है? एज R. तो R में आप कुछ देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर नहीं है, सारे मैंने सेट कंसिडर नहीं किए. We have not taken all the ordered pair here, only 5 ordered pairs are considered. So here R is defined somewhere. तो यहाँ पे हम कुछ रिलेशन लिख सकते हैं, इसको हम वर्ड में कुछ प्रूव कर सकते हैं. Then let me write down what is a given R. So R मैंने क्या लिखा है? So R is the relation from the set P to the set Q. कहाँ से कहाँ का है? R is a relation from set P to set Q. Okay, जो रिलेशन है वो कहाँ से कहाँ डिफाइन किया है? P से Q तक. अभी डिफाइन कैसे किया है? Such that first element is first alphabet of names given in Q. तो ये मैंने R के डिफाइन किया है. It is a first alphabet in the, it is the first element क्या हो? First element is the first alphabet of names given in Q. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप, तो नेम क्या है? अमी का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होगा? A. So A, Ami, that will be the element here. Then B, bridge, B, Babar, because both names are started with B. So like this. So this is called the relation. Relation मतलब कि दो सेट किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन से हम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, देन इट इज नोन एज अ रिलेशन. वन मोर आई कैन गिव यू द एग्जांपल हियर. सो अगर किसी सेट को मुझे वेन डायग्राम के फॉर्म में लिखना है, सो हाउ आई विल राइट डाउन इट एज अ वेन डायग्राम, देन वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आल्सो. सो रिलेशन का आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. So I have taken 3 set here. P is equals to ABC. Here the name was Ami. Then what was the name next? Bridge. Then Babar. Then Charlie. Chetan. Okay. So when I define the relation from P to Q, it is defined by the arrow. Okay. So arrow से related करेंगे. R is a relation from P to Q. तो P to Q relation कैसे define किया? तो कि letter, okay, first element is the first alphabet of the name. So A is related with B is related with 2, that is a Brick and the Bar, and C is with the Charlie and Chetan. So this is called the array presentation of the relation or the Venn diagram, okay, or the relation presented by the Venn diagram. So this is the presentation of the relation. तो स्टूडेंट आपको थोड़ा सा समझ में आया होगा अभी तक के रिलेशन क्या है. लेट मी गो इन द डिटेल. नाउ सपोज वी हैव टू सेट्स A and B. So A is equals to, now I am giving you in a form of a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to, I am writing up to the 100. Okay. Now here, so relation what we can write down? Let me write down R. R is equals to X comma Y, because relation is the ordered pair. So I am writing here X comma Y, where Y is square of X. Okay, where Y is a square of X, or I should write down Y is equals to X square. So that Y is equals to X square. So now this is the relation from where to where? A to B. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट कि अगर आप ये रिलेशन को लिखने जाइए तो आपको A क्रॉस B के सारे एलिमेंट नहीं मिलेंगे. ओके, यू विल गेट द पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. कौन कौन से? तो कि X कहाँ पे बिलोंग करेगा? दिस इज बिलोंग्स टू फर्स्ट सेट एंड दिस इज बिलोंग्स टू द सेकंड सेट. X कहाँ पे जाएगा? फर्स्ट सेट के अंदर, एंड B विल गो टू द सेकंड सेट. सो X हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं 1. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 1. तो y क्या होगा? X square, that is equals to 1. If I take X is equals to 2, then what is your y? Yes, 2 square 4, then 3 square 9, up to then 4, then 16, 5 25, 6 36, 7 49, 8 64, 9 81, and 10, then 100. So student, this is your relation. So what is the relation? Now we can define now definition अगर लिखना है. So how is the define definition? A relation R from the non-empty set A to the non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. तो A cross B जो होगा उसका subset मिलेगा. Okay, and this subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pair. तो ordered pair जो XY होगा उसके बीच में कुछ relation given होगा. Okay, एक जो ordered pair है हमारा उसके बीच में कुछ relation given होगा. According that we can derive this subset. Okay, and this is known as a relation. तो स्टूडेंट आपको अभी समझ में आ गया होगा what is a relation? Relation between, we have to join the element of A with the element of B with some relation. Suppose मैंने सेट A कंसीडर किया है the numbers, okay, and B is equals to the names. Okay, A is equals to the numbers 1 to 50 something, and B is equals to name of the students of class 11 science. Now I am going to define now the relation. What is the relation? Relation that means number assigned to the roll number. Roll number of the particular student. Okay, मैंने क्या लिखा है? That what is the relation? X is the roll number of Y. X is the roll number of Y. तो suppose कि कोई student है उसका roll number 1 है तो क्या होगा? 1 comma name of that student. Then 2 comma name of the another student जिसको roll number 2 assign हुआ है. Then 3 comma some number, that is 3 comma the number, बिकॉज कि थर्ड रोल नंबर होगा वो किसी और को असाइन हुआ है तो इसको हम बोलेंगे रिलेशन. तो रिलेशन क्या हुआ? इन दिस केस रिलेशन इज X इज अ रोल नंबर ऑफ Y. Okay, x is the roll number of y. So like this. Okay, here what is the relation? Relation is x is the square root of y or y is the square of x. Right? तो this is called the relation. उसके आगे वाले में जो एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया था, name and the alphabet. तो what was the relation then? That relation is x is the alphabet or x is the first alphabet of the names given in B. Okay, x is the first alphabet of y. Y is the name of the person which is written in the another set. Right students? So this is called the relation. तो रिलेशन का पहले आपको फंडा एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए कि रिलेशन क्या होता है. So this is called relation. ना अभी हम रिलेशन की डिफाइन करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. हमने इतना सारा डिफाइन किया कि व्हाट इज द रिलेशन. तो रिलेशन का हमने वेन डायग्राम भी लिखा है. That this is called the representation of the relation. So here I am writing here the set A and here the set B. So just let me take the last example. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 100, right? And here not, it is only 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here 1 to 100. So 1, let me reduce it. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 for only. And here 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 16, 25. Let me write down this many. Okay. So here again the same relation. That y is equals to x square. ये हमारा रिलेशन हुआ y is equals to x square. Now in this case, so here you can say a is assigned to a1, 2 is assigned to 4, 3 then square is 9, then 4 is equals to 4 square is equals to 15. So this is 4 is assigned to 25. Okay, like this. So now here next word we are going to discuss that कि इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? This all set. Okay, this all element 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called the pre-image of the element from B. तो B के जो एलिमेंट है इसकी pre-image क्या होगी? Element X. Similarly, the element which are in B और जिसकी आपको वैल्यू है, जैसे 1 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 is assigned with 1. So these all are called the image of the set, image of the element X. So I can write down here. Suppose R is defined from X to Y with some relation. Okay, I know that the relation. Then here Y is called image of X. जो Y होगा second element is the image of the first element and X is called the pre-image of y. Okay, और x को क्या बोलेंगे? y की pre-image. Okay, तो remember student what is y? Y is the image of x and x is the pre-image of y. So यहाँ तक आपको clear हुआ what is the relation? What is the relation between the normal relation between two sets? Okay, and it is generally the subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Then second thing is the domain. Now this word for new is the new for you. Now what is the domain? तो set A के जो element होगा the first set, it is known as a domain of a relation. Okay, this is called the domain of the relation. और ये जो set B होगा इसको हम बोलेंगे codomain. Okay, the set A is known as a domain of the relation. Set B is called the codomain of the relation. But you can see कि यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4 की इमेज आपको सारे एलिमेंट नहीं मिल रहे. There are few particular. So we can write down the set of the images of X is known as a range. What is the range? Range is the set of all images of first element in R. ओके, तो R का जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होंगे वो सारे एलिमेंट की जो इमेजेस मिलेगी आपको यहाँ से, दैट इज नोन एज अ रेंज. तो अगर यहाँ से हम लिखते जाए तो रेंज में आपको क्या मिलेगा? रेंज इज इक्वल्स टू the set which are on the images and 1, 4, 9 and 15. So 1, 4, 9 and 15. So this is called range. This is the whole set B is known as a codomain and the set A is known as a domain. So students अभी आज हम यहाँ तक ही देखेंगे what is the relation, what is domain and codomain. तो domain क्या होता है हमारे पास? You can see the definition. The set of first element of the ordered pair in the relation R is called the domain of R. Okay. Then range. Range is the set of all the second element. So second element मतलब y क्या है? Images. So set of all the second element in R from set A to set B is called the range of R. And the whole set B is called the codomain of the set. Okay, it is called the codomain of relation R. And you can see student, ये बड़ा set जो है वो codomain है और range के अंदर limited element है. So always remember, range is always subset of the codomain. Okay students, so I hope you are clear with these things. What we have seen today, first relation, उसका definition देखा है. What is the domain? What is the range? And what is the codomain? Now here few remarks are there. So let me discuss quickly. Here first thing is you have noted that range is a subset of the. So this definition you have to note in your notebook. Then remark, let me write down it quickly. So then in the next class we will start the exercise 2.2. Now here's few remarks is there. First, range is always subset or equal to the codomain. Second remark is the total number of the relation from set A to set B is the number of possible subset of A cross B. Okay, so this is very clear to you students कि A cross B में हम कितने relation define करेंगे. तो what is the relation? Relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. So it is clear कि total number of relation from A to B, how many we can get? How many the possible number of subsets are there? Suppose that number of A is equals to P. A के अंदर P एलिमेंट है. Number of Q, element of Q is equals to, number of element in B, that is equals to Q. Then we know that how many A cross B element will be there. Cartesian product में element कितने होंगे? Multiplication of these two number, that is P into Q, right? And we know that how many number of subset of A cross B. Formula is yes 2 raised to n और n की जगह में यहाँ क्या है pq. So 2 raised to pq. So remember students, possible number of relation from the set A to B with number of A is equals to p and number of B is equals to pq is 2 raised to pq. And so these are the two remarks we are having. So let me write down this much. So note down students all these things in your notebook. So we are stopped here. Thank you and have a nice day.